Never thought that I'd fall in love, 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 love. But I grew from a simple crush, 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 crush. Being without you, girl, I was on a stop, up, up, up. When you walked out, say that.
Welcome back to our channel, where we take you on exciting adventures and explore the hidden gems of the world. Today, we are at the stunning Puka Beach Resort, a paradise nestled away on this enchanting island. Puka Beach Resort offers a truly immersive experience, with beautifully designed villas and suites that blend harmoniously with the natural surroundings. Whether you're looking for a romantic getaway or a family vacation, this resort has something for everyone. Thank you for joining us on this virtual journey through the beauty of Puka Beach Resort. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Until next time, keep exploring.